Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created these beautiful amazing nude lips. So this is one beautiful nude lips I created, and I'm like, okay, let me share the tips with you guys because it looks so nice, very flawless and so cute. You know what, let's dive in and see how it's done. Okay guys, so this is my client that I had actually did her makeup, and I'm like, okay, let me just, like show a detailed video of how I created the lips. So first of all, I'm using a very thick lip stain, and this lip stain is from the Beluster lip stain. Actually, is the lip stain that the particular shade has cleaned up, so I can't really know the shade. It's just a nude lip stain. And after that, I'm adding the Becharmageless Cosmetics lip stain in the shade Nude. I'm adding that inside, like, I want to mix them together because the Beluster is very thick, like very thick, so definitely she can't really smack or blend it. But when I added this Becharmageless Cosmetics lip stain, it actually made it a little bit, more easy for me to blend. So I'm just trying to like blend this together, and when I was doing these lips, like I was really laughing because I actually had this lip stain in mind. Like the particular what I got was what I had in mind because I wanted to create that beautiful, nude lips. I know it was going to actually look good on her though because she have a very beautiful smile. So after that, I got this brown lip stain from the same Becharmageless Cosmetics lip stain though, not a lip palette. So I got this shade from is in the shade Choco. Is a dark brown, dark brown lip stain. So I love the dark brown. Of course, she's dark skinned, so yeah, dark brown is going to be perfect for lining her lips. So I'm just using that to line the lips, and I'm carefully lining it because I don't want to really push in the dark shade much into the lip stain. Like, I don't know if you get what I mean. I don't want to really push it so in, and I'm equally overlining her lips because that way I'm going to get the structure and the shape of her lips perfectly well. Okay guys, so I'm equally lining the down part of the lips, like the way I wanted this to come out. That was why I didn't actually line it from the word go, because I wanted this the nude shade to pop out. So I don't want the dark brown to have any effect on how the nude shade is going to come out. Like, I wanted the nude shade to be where it is. The brown should like just form as a protection against the lip stain. That is it. I don't want it to have any effect because I feel like if I do the brown first, to an extent it might start like blending into the nude, and I might not like how that comes out. So when I asked her to smack her lips, and I did the blending and I asked her to smack, when she smacked these lips, I was just like looking at this, and I'm like, yeah, this is actually what I want. It's very simple and very nice. So I think at this point I'm thinking that, yeah, the brown is overshadowing the nude, which I told you guys, like, I don't want any brown overshadow. I just wanted the brown to just act as a protection for the, like, I don't know, something like that. I want the nude to pop out. That is it. I wanted the nude to pop out, but still, even the nude popping out, I still want to have a reflection of a dark brown around it. I don't know if you get me. So I just have the, because I think I've done something like that on a dark skin before, and I love how it came out. So I had that in my head while doing this lips. So I wanted to so badly achieve that, having the everything. So when I was done, it just to pop the gloss now. And when I was adding this gloss, I was still thinking, are you sure I am there yet, and all that. So I needed a clear gloss because if I have to pop that brown, it has to be a clear gloss. So the gloss I used earlier in the down part was not a clear gloss, so I had to use it. I didn't like, it doesn't really reflect on anything. Like, I added it and I had to change. I use a clear gloss because a clear gloss is the gloss that will give me what I want. It's the gloss that is going to pop the dark brown, even if it's like small, tiny. Okay guys, so yeah, this is it. That was, I added the gloss, and that is it. Like, can you feel this lips? Because like, I'm feeling it, and equally the smile of my client is everything. And I love how these lips come out. I love everything about this look. Like, I don't know if you guys love this look, so if you do, please leave a comment in the section and tell me how you feel about it, and tell me if you'll be trying this out. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I love you guys so much. I'm going to be dropping more tips, so please do subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.